Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Dereck Reacts, back at it again, and you're right, Natalie, yes, with Wind Was Blowing from the Sea, taking it back to 1998, guys. Russian pop artist. I'm looking forward to this one. Recommendation made by a Patreon subscriber. Never before seen, never before heard, so I'm brand new to this, guys. I can't wait to get my hands on this. This is a first, I believe, on Dereck Reacts, doing Russian pop. Let's check this out, guys. Before we get into the video, please take a moment, comment, like, and subscribe. I love to your feedback. Makes videos like these all the more possible. And also take a moment to follow me and like me, both on Instagram and on Facebook. And if you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. I also have a Patreon link down below. Be sure to check that out when you get a chance. Help support my channel. Makes recommendations like the one you're about to watch all the more possible. Alright, guys, without further ado, let's go.
Еще разок, пожалуйста.
Привет. Кто там?
Нэнси.
Нэнси? Ветер с моря дул, ветер с моря дул, нагонял беду, и сказал ты мне, больше не приду, видно не судьба, видно нет любви.
Holy crap! Holy bananas! Oh my god! This beat is sick! This beat is sick, guys. Most definitely 90s. Most definitely 90s. You guys know I love my 90s stuff. I love my 90s dance. And this falls in that realm of kind of like the 90s dance. If you guys don't know, I'm a big Europop lover. I love Europop disc, like that 90s stuff all the way. This is up my wheelhouse. Thank you Patreon subscriber for recommending me this, because this is so cool. Never before heard at all, and it just sounds so good on the ear. It's so dancey already. I love it. Love the instrumentation with the keyboard. So good. And then you get that pop beat coming in. Reminiscent of the 90s. So good. Oh, so good. Her voice is fantastic too. Oh my god, her voice is so good. Come on, girl, come on. Look at this. Oh. So this is very flirty, very flirtatious. Schoolgirl. I wonder if that's her. Dressed up as kind of like that schoolgirl type of like uniform and stuff. With the skirt. So funny. So it's kind of like very kind of cheesy in a way, a little cheesy in the song is. But you know what? A lot of 90s stuff was like that. A lot of 90s dance stuff was like that. But I don't know. I really can't put a finger on it, guys, why I liked it so much. I think it's because there's something just like extremely happy and euphoric about it. Like, you know, no one cared about anything. It's just want to dance your bananas off, you know? If you guys haven't known, I love to use that word a lot, bananas. I use that for everything. But it's unbelievable. I like her kind of like innocent kind of like look here. You know, she's got a very you know, type of innocent look. It's very nice. But more remarkable, guys, is her voice. Her voice by far is good. Guys, 90s are the way. The wind blew me. The wind from the sea below, or no, the wind from the sea. The wind was blowing from the sea. I'm trying to figure this out. The translation is a little tricky. There's a little sense. Love it, love it. Oh, here we go, guys. Those 90s beats, so classic, so classic, so good. So I want to mention something here, guys, because they threw in a synth back there. The synth was thrown in back there, and this is very heavily a type of song that's kind of like made with just a pure like um, beat driven stuff. Even the percussions and stuff like that. There's nothing how do I say it? It's very synth based, very synth based. You don't hear really guitars, you don't hear nothing like that, and it's just dancey. It just has that dancey beat. So that's what it is, guys. 90s pop galore. 90s pop galore, most definitely. And she was big during this time, I guess. Um, Pop hits from the 90s all the way into 2011. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. I have to take a look at her, or at least from what I hear is that Billboard ranked this as 99 most striking and memorable Russian pop hits from 1991 to 2011. So let me take that back. That's what she said, but that's what I have here. But Wind from the Sea, very interesting, very cool. Oh.
Видно, не судьба, видно, не судьба, видно, нет любви, видно, нет любви, видно, надо мной, посмеялся ты, видно, не судьба, видно, не судьба, видно, нет любви, видно, надо мной, посмеялся ты, видно, не судьба, видно, не судьба, видно, нет любви, видно, надо мной, посмеялся ты.
It's cheesy, but what the heck? Who cares? Dereck Reacts approved coming at you on this one. It's fun. It's a fun song. It's a fun song. You hear the little synth in the back. So good, so good. I like it. I like it. It's cheesy, but it's good. It gets you up and going. Um, very cool. There you have. By the way, she's not only a pop singer, but she's a composer, songwriter, actress, and TV presenter. Yes, very nice. And there you have it. And she, according to the singer, she likes courtyard folk songs, folksy type of songs from her childhood. Every summer, starting at the age of 11, the future singer rested in a pioneer camp. She liked all those things. Very interesting type of thing going on. And then she also has her first album, The Little Mermaid. I guess this is where it comes from. This song from The Little Mermaid. Interesting. Very innocent.
Посмеялся ты, видно, не судьба, видно, не судьба, видно, нет любви, видно, надо мной, посмеялся
Oh, look at that.
ты, посмеялся ты.
Ah, so cool. Ah.
Угощайся.
Я не курю.
What the heck was that? That was bizarre. Hold on a second. That was bizarre the way that ended. Something about him smoking, or I don't know what that meant. That was so weird. Very cool, very nice pop type of song here. This I wonder if this was her first song that she released before breaking out. I saw a couple of other tracks there as suggesting YouTube suggesting other tracks and stuff like that. Very interesting stuff all around. She's piqued my interest. Most definitely. I think there's something that's very striking about her, and I like her voice too. And I love this 90s stuff, guys. You know that. I love 90s dance stuff. But according to the performer herself, it was she began working with composer Alexander Shulgin, And according to the performer herself, it was him that made the decision to record "The Wind Blew from the Sea," according to then producer Natalie. He made a choice in favor of "The Wind," having found the block of songs from Pioneer Childhood shown to him by the singer. On the cover of the album, it was stated the author is unknown. Interesting, huh? The author is unknown. So, how did this song come about? How did this song come about? According to the singer and composer Elena Sokolaskaya, whose authorship is also confirmed legally initially, "The Wind Blew from the Sea" was a family song about a dog named Bim. Interesting. In an interview with AIF, she presented her version of the history of the song and its creation in this way: "I invented the song as a child, played the piano, and voiced with my girlfriends at the age of 11. I went to the camp for winter holidays and sung it at a concert there. The sound engineer liked it so much that he recorded my singing on a tape recorder. The following winter, a friend wrote that my song, 'The Wind Blew from the Sea,' was playing on the radio. I never found out who performed it. Many years later, Natalie began to perform Wind. I immediately went to Moscow, but the Russian Author Society, where the other songs were registered, did not show any interest, and I turned to a private copyright agency where they actively engaged in the hits." Interesting. I love to hear stuff like that. How how the song came about, and where it was found and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. That you hear you hear your song that you wrote on the radio, and it becomes a hit. Becomes a hit. So there you have it. 10 years old. Wow. Or at least 11 when she wrote it. So that's pretty interesting. Classic stuff, guys, with beats. Classic stuff. You hear kind of like some piping there too towards the end and even the beginning. And then they're kind of like just layering in there. I would classify this as very, very poppy EDM, dancey type of style. Very interesting. It just has that late '90s type of thing. It just has that. Yes, it's cheesy, but you know what? It is what it is, guys. It gets you up and moving. It gets you up and moving. So I like that one. And I like this one. But if she's got more, guys, let me know down below. I would love to know more about her. More Russian type of songs like synth pop. I know there's a lot of '80s synth pop songs from Russia that are pretty good too. So let me know, guys. Let me know. I'm brand new to this stuff, and I can sure use your help. Until next time, for more videos like these, guys. Take care. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like these, be sure to check this one out. And also take a moment to comment, like, and smash the subscribe button to stay on all the latest reaction videos. And guys, yes, I have a Patreon link. Be sure to check that out when you get a chance. Help support my channel. Makes recommendations like the one you just saw all the more possible. Alright guys, take care. Love you guys. Peace.